Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me on another day, another DIY. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I will be showing you 4 easy high-end spring DIYs using products from the Dollar Tree. To upcycle, I'm going to be painting. You can use any spring color you prefer. I am going for a pretty soft pink. Let it dry and repeat 2 more times. I will be using these utensil sheets from Walmart. I am not sure if you can find similar ones at the Dollar Tree. If you don't have any, it's okay. Try to freehand or you can paint some small flowers. I am tracing the word blooming, but you can write spring, cutest flower, anything. I suggest getting lowercase letters because it's a little hard to see if they're all capital letters. And voila! You can buy so many flowers from the Dollar Tree, right? Sometimes I buy them or I see some that I really like, but the color not so much. What I'm trying to say before I ramble is that if you don't like the color, you can change it. And that is exactly what I'm doing. These flowers are from the Dollar Tree and they are pink, but not for long. We are going to upcycle them. Before you paint, you will need to break apart the stems from the flower. The tricky part is removing them apart from the bottom since they come in a bundle. Carefully take apart the stems. Try to cut them as clean as possible. To change them up a bit, I will be spraying them with gold paint. You pick the color that makes you happy. This DIY will take a bit of patience and the exact amount of time will depend on the flower. Once our flowers are set, we are placing them back. I will link all the products I use below in the description box. And voila, you can now use them however you like. I am going to be placing them in the wall as a background. I am in love with this background.
To you,
For this product, you will need this 11 by 14 frame from the Dollar Tree. I will be removing the glass and placing it in a safe place. Before you secure everything back together, I suggest gluing the cardboard and white sheet together. This will help later if you want to remove frame to paint. I painted this frame beforehand white. Then you will need about 5 to 6 bundles of roses of your choice from the Dollar Tree. Before you start to glue, make sure you plan the order you prefer, then glue down and hold in place. You'll fill the entire frame or leave it as is. For the last DIY I have for you today, we will be using this wreath from the Dollar Tree, some flowers and some burlap ribbon. I am going for a more simple rustic kind of vibe, but you take what you like. I am going to start adding my flowers and then deciding exactly where to place my roses and glue them down. Super easy and simple. To make a rose, you will wrap the ribbon tight around your finger and start to lose grip as you extend. You have to play around to get it right. Lastly, I am adding an extra bonus decoration from the Dollar Tree. I found these gorgeous items from the Dollar Tree. I had to make an arrangement and share it with you guys. That is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super simple, easy DIYs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for some Easter DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!